The best PSVR 2 games coming in 2023 include new and exclusive virtual reality experiences, as well as upgrades of PSVR games and MetaQuest 2 releases. In this video, I've rounded up some things that you should know before the release of PSVR 2. PSVR 2 is Sony's true next-gen virtual reality headset that uses PlayStation 5 to bring its games to life. This is cutting-edge hardware that promises state-of-the-art experiences in games using haptic controls and high-spec VR tech. Rumors abound of a CES showcase on 4 January from Sony. Why you should be excited for the upcoming PSVR 2? The announcement by Sony confirms that virtual reality will not be a flash in the pan. Sony, like many other technology giants, is investing in virtual reality as the next step in gaming. Importantly, it is not just a hardware investment, but a software one too. With launch support for first-party titles such as Horizon Call of the Mountain and franchises such as Resident Evil, No Man's Sky, and Star Wars, PSVR 2 is set to have an explosive launch. We already know the PSVR 2 release date, 22 February 2023, and we know the PlayStation VR 2 price, $549.99, £529.99 to boost your excitement. PSVR 2 is new headset features 4K graphics, eye tracking, higher refresh rates, and all new controllers with haptics. Why PSVR 2 is gonna be a game changer for VR? A new PSVR 2 feature could allow for some game-changing experiences with the upcoming VR headset. PSVR 2 is Sony's dedicated VR headset for PlayStation 5. We've already been made privy to some of the upcoming headset's features, like its streamlined design. But Sony's latest official update opens a new tab, has divulged even more juicy details. This includes a brand new see-through mode. This will let PSVR 2 users view their surroundings without needing to take the headset off. Some of the best VR headsets support similar pass-through or augmented reality tech, but it's a first for Sony's VR output. PSVR 2 feature that stands out most from Sony's latest blog post has to be the new see-through mode. And not just because it will make tasks like finding controllers and being aware of your surroundings much easier. Sony states that the see-through mode is for viewing only, and that there will be no option to record while in the mode. Can you use PSVR 2 on PC? If so, how? Unfortunately, it seems the answer to this question is no. At least, the PSVR 2 will not be compatible with PC games when it launches in February. That being said, Sony has previously said it's dedicated to bringing more of its exclusive titles to PC players, meaning it's possible the headset will become compatible with PC in future updates. Horizon Zero Dawn was previously given a PC port, suggesting that its sequel, Horizon Forbidden West, will also make its way to PC sometime in the future. If this is the case, then it would also stand to reason that Horizon Call of the Mountain, the PSVR 2 game following after the events of the second Horizon game, would also eventually be ported to PC. The original PSVR does work with PC on some levels, though it was never fully given support and often requires various adapters to work. At the time of this video, Sony has not shared any plans to make the PSVR 2 compatible with PC, as it seems to be a push to keep players buying new PlayStation consoles. What are the top games coming that are confirmed? In our list, we take a look at the games officially mentioned by Sony, followed by the rapidly growing number of studios committing to support PSVR 2 at some point. Moss and Moss. Book 2. Polyarc announced that both Moss and the sequel Moss, Book 2 are set to be launch titles on PSVR 2 when it releases in February next year, which follows the adventures of a pin-sized hero named Quill who journeys through a world fraught with enemies and plenty of puzzles to boot. Horizon Call of the Mountain. Horizon Call of the Mountain isn't a log flume ride or hollow VR experience like the trailer might suggest. Nay, developed by Sony's first-party Guerrilla Games and Firesprite Studios, the first VR take on the Horizon universe is going to be an honest-to-goodness story campaign. Star Wars: Tales from the Galaxy's Edge. Star Wars: Tales from the Galaxy's Edge is an action-adventure experience where you'll take on the role of a droid repair technician operating near the Outer Rim. First introduced on MetaQuest in 2020, this will be the first time this run-and-gun, Star Wars-flavored adventure will be available outside of the Meta ecosystem. There are many other games which are also confirmed by Sony. These are Resident Evil Village, Resident Evil 4, Demeo No Man's Sky, The Walking Dead, Saints and Sinners Chapter 2, Firewall Ultra, The Dark Pictures, Switchback VR, Crossfire, Sierra Squad, The Light Brigade, Hello Neighbor, Search and Rescue, Pistol Whip VR, Cities VR, Enhanced Edition, Cosmonius High, Zenith, The Last City, Tentacular, After the Fall, Jurassic World Aftermath Collection, 2MD, VR Football Unleashed All-Star, Truant Pixel, Across the Valley, Fusion Play, and many other games which are still to be confirmed. Alright, that's all for today's video. If you have any thoughts about PSVR 2, then you can leave them in the comments section. Thank you.